Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful granny stripe stitch. This stitch is very easy to make and it's great for beginner. If you know how to make a chains and double crochet, you are good to go. This is reversible. Good on both sides. It's perfect stitch for blanket, scarf, hat, cardigan, or a lot more. You can do many things with this stitch. And you can use one color or two or three or four or five. Totally up to you. And for today's tutorials, I'm gonna show you in two colors. And this stitch also can make in round as well, but I'm gonna show you in row for this tutorial. And I use 5mm crochet hook and I use number 5 bulky yarn. This is beautiful yarn from Baroque Vintage Chunky. This is super beautiful yarn. I love it. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, for this granny stripe stitch is in a multiple of 4 chains. If you don't know what is a multiple of 4 chains, so you're gonna make a group of 4 chains, 4 chains, 4 chain, 4 chain, 4 chain like that until you're happy with the length of the chain, and then we're gonna start the pattern. Alright, for today's tutorial I'm gonna make 24 chains. First, make slip knot. Use any method you prefer to make a slip knot. And then insert the hook in there. And then I'm gonna make 24 chains. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 23, and 24. Now I have 24 chain here. Row 1, we're gonna make 2 double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So I yarn over hook, skip the first 3 chains. Here's 1, 2, and 3. And then into the next chain, which is the 4th chain from the hook, I'm gonna make double crochet there. So after I yarn over hook, I insert the hook into that 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That is the double crochet. Okay, and then make 1 more double crochet into the same chain. Yarn over hook, insert the hook into the same chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And the first 3 chain that we skip is called as 1 double crochet. Alright, next chain 1 and skip 3 chain. 1, 2, and 3. Into the next chain, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. So chain 1 first, okay, I chain 1 and then yarn over hook, skip 3 chain, insert the hook into the next chain and make a double crochet. Here's 1, we need 3 total. 2 and 3. And then we're gonna repeat that across. We chain 1 and skip 3 chain. 1, 2, and 3. Into the next chain, make 3 double crochet. Here's 1, 2, and 3. And repeat, chain 1, skip 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Into the next chain, make 3 double crochet. Oops, sorry. 1, 2, and 3. And repeat, chain 1, skip 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Into the next chain, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Skip 3 chains. Chain 1 first, sorry, chain 1, skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Into the next chain, which is the last chain, we're gonna make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And here's what it looks like at the end of row 1. Row 2, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then turn. Or you can turn first and chain, doesn't matter. And the first 3 chains count as 1 double crochet, and then the 4th chain there count as 1 chain space. Alright, so after I chain 4 and turn, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet into the chain 1 space here, right here. 1, oops, 2, and 3, and then chain 1, and then make 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, and 3, and repeat, chain 1, and then make 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, and 3, and repeat, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. 'Repeat, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Okay, now we're gonna end the row. We're gonna chain 1 and then make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain here. Remember, row 1 we skipped the first 3 chain. Into that top 3rd chain we're gonna make a double crochet right here. So chain 1 first, and then make a double crochet into that 3rd chain. Alright, here's what it looks like at the end of row 2. Now row 3, chain 3 and turn, or you can turn first and chain, doesn't matter, and the first 3 chain count as 1 double crochet, and then we're gonna make 2 double crochet into this chain 1 space, the first chain 1 space here. Make 2. Here's 1, here's 2. So includes the first 3 chain, it will be 3 double crochet here. See? Alright, next chain 1, and then into the next chain 1 space we're gonna make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Repeat, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, and 3. Repeat, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. See, very easy. Repeat, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. And then chain 1, and then into this chain space we're gonna make 3 double crochet. Remember, the previous row we chained 4, and I told you the first 3 chain count as 1 double crochet, and then the 4th chain count as 1 chain space. So into that chain space we're gonna make 3 double crochet. So after I chain 1, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet into that chain space. 1, 2, and 3. And here's what it looks like at the end of row 3. It's very easy pattern. So for this granny stripe stitch, is a 2-row repeat, which is row 2 and row 3. So from now on, you're just gonna keep repeating row 2 and row 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, over and over. And you also can change color as well, and I'm gonna show you how to change color. Alright, so next row 4, I'm gonna repeat row 2, and I'm gonna show you with different color. So if you're gonna use the same color, you're gonna repeat row 2, so you chain 4 like that, and then you turn, right? And then make 3 double crochet into the chain 1 space. Just repeat row 2 like that, and then chain 1, and then 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space like that. But I'm gonna show you how to change color. So you can use any method you prefer to change color. Everybody like different style. I'm gonna show you how I like to change color. So I'm gonna redo the last double crochet on row 3 here. I redo the last double crochet. So far I have 2 double crochet, right? I need to make 1 more double crochet to complete the row 3. So I yarn over hook, insert the hook into the same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and now when I have 2 loops left on my hook, I'm gonna drop this color, and then I bring the new color up, and then yarn over hook with the new color, and then pull through the last 2 loops. That is how I like to change color, and like I said, you can use any method you prefer. And then I'm gonna repeat row 2. So I chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn. Alright, and again the first 3 chain count as 1 double crochet, and then the 4th chain there count as 1 chain space. And then I'm gonna make 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Here's 1, 2, and 3, and then chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 1, and then make 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Just repeat row 2. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. And then to end the row, we're gonna chain 1 and then make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain there. Like that. Do exactly the same as row 2. And now row 5, we're gonna repeat row 3. And if you're gonna change color, you just undo the last double crochet here until you have 2 loops left, and then you bring the new color and then yarn over hook with new color like that. Okay, but for me, I'm just gonna continue using this teal color. So like I said, row 5, I repeat row 3 here. So I'm gonna chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then turn. And the first 3 chain count as 1 double crochet, and I'm gonna make 2 double crochet into the first chain 1 space here. 1, 2, and then chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. I go pretty fast because it's the same pattern. And then repeat, chain 1, and then 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Repeat, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, and then into that last space, we're gonna make 3 double crochet. So I chain 1 here and then make 3 double crochet into the last space there. 1, 2, and 3, like that. See, it's very beautiful and very easy pattern. From now on, you just repeat row 2 and row 3 over and over. And that's it. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you learned something new. And I would love to know what you're gonna make out of this stitch. Please comment below. And I also have a new pattern coming up with this stitch, so keep an eye on it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.